Hello there, it's Chris, the Nerd Dad, and I got something cool for you guys. Check it out. Alright everyone, I got something awesome for you guys today. It's actually going to be a lightsaber review. It's actually empty, it's not installed or anything like that. It will be. I'm not sure when that's going to happen, but it's definitely going to happen. Earlier this year in January, Corban had done another release of the OWK3, which is Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber from Star Wars Episode 3, Revenge of the Sith. Right when I was going to make my purchase, unfortunately, they sold out and I couldn't even get it. But you know what? Again, thanks to the power of the internet, I went on to Etsy for some random reason and I found Thunder Sabers. Thunder Sabers run by Mark over at Thunder Sabers, and he had them. He had one. He has other hilts as well, and they're at a reasonable price as well. But Mark, if you're watching this, thanks again. What a lifesaver. So I'm going to open this up for you guys. It's not really much of an unboxing. I've already opened it and I've already went through it all. I was just too excited. I'm gonna grab this out for you guys. So the clamp card here, I actually just put some sticky tape on it just so I can display it. Didn't have the cover tech wheel on there either, just because it kind of got in the way of the way I was displaying it. So, but just keeping it out this way. According to some users, they've mentioned this, but the clamp card here isn't very. It's not the correct size, I guess. You can kind of probably see it here. Let's see if you can see it there. You can kind of see it's a little longer than the actual control box. That doesn't bother me too much. That's fine with me. Some people might be picky about it. I'm not. I definitely am not. I just love the overall look of this thing, and it's perfect. Mine was machined correctly, so you can see your control box is right here, and then just 90 degrees of that right there. You can see that's where the cover tech wheel goes. So mine was machined correctly. That would have bothered me if it wasn't. I'm just glad it came the way it did. When you guys open up the vlog, just be careful too. There is this greebly that's right here. If you can see that, yeah, that greebly there. It is in one of these plastic bags. I believe it's this one here. Don't want to lose that because that does go right there. I have seen a couple users even on Facebook forums. They lost it and they couldn't find a replacement, so definitely don't lose that. Here's the blade plug. Very different from some of the blade plugs I have. A lot of mine are larger or longer. This one's very short, obviously because it is a thin neck lightsaber and the emitter is not very deep. This is my very first thin neck, and I love this thing. It does come with a couple goodies. Here is the cover tech wheel. You guys can see there, it's still in the plastic. I kept it in there. Also the PCB holder has the switches that you need to do on the clamp card. I'm not going to mess with that, nor am I going to touch that. That's going to be for the installer. The person installing this more likely is going to be Sabers. I love his work that he's done on the OWK3s, Roman props, Redemption, the Redeemer, sorry, but I couldn't help it. I had to go to him for that. One thing about this hilt also is it only unscrews from here. So like this comes off, and this is obviously where your chassis will go. Unfortunately, this does not have any opportunity for a crystal reveal because this right here is all one piece. It does not come off, which is kind of a bummer. If you're looking to do a crystal reveal when it comes to this type of a hilt, definitely go Roman props. Roman props has their his is just phenomenal, and I kind of just went with this. I am not too big with crystal reveals. I don't have any that have a crystal reveal, and I'm actually cool with that. It's not a deal breaker to me. You can see just how elegant and beautiful this is. I've seen videos of this compared to like the One Replica's version of it, and it's pretty spot on. I did a little bit of test actually. I put it on Facebook when I actually received this hilt, and a lot of users actually kept saying it's Roman props, and it's not. Just visually, probably you can't really tell just by looking at it. Some people can, some can't, but it's very, very, very elegant hilt. I will go ahead and put Thunder Sabers, I will put his link to his Etsy page in case he has any other hilts in the future, in case you guys want to actually take a look at it and see what he has to offer. He is based out in Canada, and with COVID-19 still kind of going on, did take a little while to get it, but honestly, his service was great. I bought it at night, probably like 9 or 10 o'clock at night, and the following morning I woke up and I got a notification that he already shipped it. I was like, wow, it was actually really quick. So I did get it a week after purchasing it, just because, you know, I'm pretty sure there's some type of hold in customs. Not a big deal, but just the fact that I bought it one night and then the following morning it was already being shipped. That's pretty awesome. So to me, it's good service there, just the fact that it was so fast. Like I said, I will leave his Etsy page in the description below. Also, I will leave a description where you can get this also on Corbent's website. As of right now, they are sold out as well. But I mean, hey, there's other options. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions whatsoever regarding this hilt, I have no problem answering any of your questions. This thing's great. I highly recommend it. I cannot wait to get it installed. That's going to be a heck of a feature, especially as soon as it's done. But yeah, guys, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.